Understanding Tax Deduction at Source, TDS. TDS is a tax collection system where entities deduct tax from payments at the source before remitting it to the government on behalf of the recipient. 1. Applicability. TDS applies to various types of payments made by individuals, businesses, and other entities, including salaries, interest, dividends, rent, commission, professional fees, contract payments, and other specified payments. 2. Tax deduction rates. Tax deduction rates for TDS are prescribed by tax authorities and vary depending on the nature of the payment, the status of the recipient, and other factors. Different rates may apply to different types of income and recipients. 3. TDS deduction threshold. TDS is generally applicable when the specified payment exceeds a threshold limit specified by tax authorities. Below the threshold limit, TDS may not be applicable, or the rate of deduction may be lower. 4. TDS deduction process. The person or entity making the payment, referred to as the deductor, is responsible for deducting TDS from the payment amount at the prescribed rate. The deductor must obtain a tax deduction and collection account number, TAN, from the tax authorities and use it for reporting and remitting TDS. The deducted TDS amount is then remitted to the government within the specified due dates along with the TDS return containing details of deductions made. 5. TDS certificate. After deducting TDS, the deductor issues a TDS certificate to the recipient, referred to as the deductee, containing details of the TDS deducted. The deductee can claim credit for the TDS amount deducted while filing their income tax return. 6. Compliance and penalties. Failure to deduct TDS or remit the deducted TDS to the government within the specified due dates may attract penalties, interest charges, and other consequences as per tax laws. 7. TDS returns. Deductors are required to file TDS returns periodically, providing details of TDS deductions made during the reporting period. These returns are filed electronically through the tax department's online portal.